Alright, today we are doing 100-hour maintenance on the Can-Am. We're going to do oil change, transmission change, front and rear differential, check the air filters, and then I have a slow leak in my front passenger tires. So going to get, today we'll do all the fluids, going to get it up in the air, get the tire off. So that's some hillbilly engineering right there. I took the shop light from up there that was doing me no good because it was just shining right on the roof. Bungee corded it off the roof, and now I got a nice little working light in there. Alright, so I got the two covers off. I will say one thing, all these were held in with these plastic, I think they're called pop rivets or something stupid like that. And all those are held in with hex bolts. I ended up breaking about 2 or 3 of them, which really ticks me off. Just make them, I would rather pay extra money to have it done properly than to have those stupid fucking pop rivets in there. They're just awful. So anyways, got it off. There's the oil filter, gonna get that out. And then the transmission is, I have to look for the transmission. I know where the transmission is, I just don't know where the, oh, there's the drain plug down there, so. So there's really no way around it. I had to take that skid plate off, and I'm glad I did that. Look at all this crap under here. Looking at all these other ones too, they're all pretty beat up. I may look into getting all new skid plates for all this stuff. This rear one definitely needs to be replaced. It's all messed up, but if it's not too much, I may just upgrade and get all better ones for everything. So glad I did that. I can clean all this crap out now. So I ended up taking the spring out and dropping the bed down. Not something that you are required to do, but there's just so much dirt in here. While I'm in here, I'm going to go ahead and clean it and do it right. We're not really scheduled to go out for about another 3 weeks, so I got the time. So I'm going to take my time, do it right. Probably going to end up dropping all these skid plates under here and cleaning out the dirt there too, and might end up ordering myself for new skid plates. So again, not required to do the rear diff change, but got the time, might as well do it right. Okay, so it's a couple days later here. I got my front tire patched. That's ready to go. Got all the fluids changed. Fluids are good to go. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to kind of go in while everything's apart, vacuum it up, take it for a little test drive, make sure nothing leaks or squeaks, and then get it kind of put back together. And I ordered skid plates for it and a few other goodies, but I want to get it put back together so I can drive it around. We have a trip coming up here in about 2 weeks. Hopefully the skid plates will be back before then. If not, I'll have to try to put the old ones back on there, but that is the plan for today.